Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hello friends, Pandit Joshi here. Today I will share information regarding transition of Gurudev Brihaspati in Makar Rashi from 20th November 2020. Shanidev is already there in its own house to welcome Gurudev. Here Gurudev becomes debilitated, but due to Shanidev's presence in its own house, Gurudev will be giving results of exaltic. Gurudev will give the results as it is exaltic. I mean, Gurudev will give very good results. From this house, Gurudev will aspect the Rahu Dev, which is also good sign for all rasis. How this Gurudev will affect all the rasis today, I will share the informations. Please look the video till the end. In the end, I have given the remedies for reducing the malefic results of Gurudev or to get the blessings of Gurudev. Sixth is the Kanya Rashi. For Kanya Rashi, Gurudev passes through your fifth house. It is very auspicious for you. During this period, take care of your children. During this period, planets are with you and they will save in every manner. You will be creative during this period and your creativity will make you happy. During this period, there are chances for long journey, maybe foreign journey, but you have to be very careful because there are chances for cheating in this period. Now all this depends upon one's birth chart. Relations with your elder brothers, sisters and friends will be also improved during this period. You will be benefited from them and also your wishes will come true. Health wise, you will become sound during this period, so you will be free from illness or disease and you will feel mentally and physically fit. Your confidence level will increase and that will lead to success. Sometimes you may go for religious visits. Health of your father will be improved. Long awaiting your wishes will be fulfilled during this period. Maybe you may purchase land, property, vehicle, or some social marriage functions you wanted to arrange in your family will be fulfilled during this period. You will get monetary benefits in your business. If you are in service, you will get good chances or good promotions and your salary will be raised. Relations among your friend circle will be also improved and your circle also will be enlarged or your friend circle will be more. If you are in the field of art, craft or teaching, you will become famous and you will get the advantages of this. Your luck will favor in every manner. So take the advantage of this period and get the maximum. Sometimes you may feel disputes among your partners, so be careful and be careful about your children. Overall, this is a good period and you can enjoy the life depending upon one's birth nakshatra. I have put in display slides of time duration, birth nakshatra and how Gurudev gives results during that period. If you see the table, you will be able to find the period during which the time is favorable or not. If the time is favorable, you can get the good results in your favor, you can achieve your goals. If the time is not favorable, then you have to wait, your struggle may increase, you have to work hard. Now, to improve the blessings of Gurudev or to reduce the malefic results of Gurudev, some remedies. First, chant Om Gang Gurudev Namaha. Second, chant Om Gram Grim Grom Sa Guruve Namaha every day. Third, donate turmeric, jaggery or yellow cloths, yellow flowers or sweets, preferably yellow, on Thursday evening. This is general prediction for your Rashi. If you want to consult, you can contact on our numbers. For outstations or other country people, telephonic consultancy is also available. If you find the video helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please do not forget to push the bell button. May God bless you and your life become happy and prosperous. Thank you for watching the video and please wait for the new topic on YouTube.